Hostel for the Blind Boys, Mysore, Andhra Pradesh. This is a boarding and lodging hostel. Computer education is given here with the help of JAWS. Braille writing and reading is also taught here. These students are reading Braille written on a newspaper. Braille books are facilitated here. Tape recorders are given to the students from the hostel. Now you can see NFB Hostel for Blind Boys situated at Bangalore in Karnataka. Hostel library is stuffed with Braille books. This hostel has an audio library too, where books are kept recorded in cassettes and CDs. Students study with this material. See, this is the Blind Hostel, Ajmer, Rajasthan.
लालच का खंजर फेंको जिद के पीछे मत दौड़ो तुम देश के पंछी हो देश प्रेमियों आपस में प्रेम करो देश प्रेमियों मेरे देश प्रेमियों आपस में प्रेम करो देश प्रेमियों
Computer education is provided in this hostel as well. Now we are in the reading room of this hostel where some students are studying through ink print books with the help of a sighted person as reader. The federation pays reader fee. This is the music room of this hostel. The instruments, harmonium and tabla are available here. Some students are practicing music. This is the office of the hostel where the manager of this hostel giving some information to the students. Boarding and lodging is free at all. No entrance fee is charged.
संघ ने इंटरनेट यूजिंग की सुविधा दे रखी है जिसके बिल का भुगतान संघ ही करता है। यह है हॉस्टल का रीडिंग रूम। यहाँ ये बच्चे इंक प्रिंट की बुक से एक दृष्टिवान पाठक अर्थात रीडर की मदद से रीडिंग ले रहे हैं। रीडर फीस का भुगतान भी संघ की ओर से ही किया जाता है। यह छात्रावास का संगीत कक्ष है जिसमें फिलहाल तबला और हारमोनियम दो ही वाद्य उपलब्ध हैं। यहाँ ये बच्चे संगीत का अभ्यास कर रहे हैं। यह इस छात्रावास का कार्यालय है जहाँ छात्रावास की प्रबंधक छात्रों को कुछ सूचना दे रही है। छात्रावास में रहने तथा भोजन की व्यवस्था पूरी तरह निःशुल्क है। किसी तरह का प्रवेश शुल्क भी नहीं लिया जाता।
Have a look on this NFB Braille Library situated in Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Here, countless Braille books are available. Blind readers read these books daily. Now you can see the pride of National Federation of the Blind. A computerized braille press and library situated at Bahadurgarh in Haryana. This press has two very advanced Braille machines imported from Norway. This machine is called Braillo. The printing ability of this machine is 440 characters per second. It also converts mathematical, geographical, and economical graphs into Braille. Braillo has three parts. A. Paper roll section, where roll of paper is kept. B. Embossing section. Here printing and paper cutting is done. C. Collection section. In this section, printing paper is collected and it automatically comes out. Before this, the book, which has to be converted into Braille, gets stored on the server through computerized typewriter. For Braille printing, Duxbury software is used. Proofreaders and copy holders do proofreading of these Braille books.